Sofas can collect dust, stains, and odors much faster than we realize. But there's a simple method that makes the process much easier using items you already have at home. Start by preparing your cleaning solution. Take a bowl and add some water. Then add a small amount of liquid dish soap. This one helps break down oils, grease, and everyday grime that cling to the fabric. And a spoonful of baking soda, which works as a natural deodorizer, helping to neutralize odors and loosen dirt trapped in the fibers. Give it a good stir until everything is fully combined. You don't need a thick mixture, just a light, soapy solution is perfect. Next, take a clean cloth and dip it into the mixture until it's damp, not dripping wet. This part is important because too much water can soak into the sofa and take longer to dry. Lay the cloth flat over the area you want to clean. Now grab a pot lid and place it directly on top of the cloth. Using the lid, start rubbing in slow, controlled motions. Don't need to rush this step. Then apply light to moderate pressure and move steadily across the fabric. The lid helps distribute pressure evenly, so instead of pressing with your fingers, you're covering more surface and lifting more dirt at once. As you go, you might even notice the cloth picking up discoloration. That's all the dirt being pulled out. Work in sections, slightly overlapping each area so nothing gets missed. If the cloth starts to look dirty, rinse it out, dip it back into the solution, and keep going. This keeps you from spreading dirt back onto the sofa. Once you've gone over the entire area, take a second cloth dampened with clean water and repeat the process. This step removes any leftover soap and prevents the fabric from feeling sticky after it dries. After that, grab a dry cloth and gently press it into the fabric to absorb as much moisture as possible. Take your time here, especially on thicker areas since they tend to hold more water. To finish, place a fan facing the sofa and let it run until everything is completely dry. This helps speed up the drying process and prevents any lingering moisture from settling into the cushions. When it's fully dry, you'll notice your sofa looks cleaner, feels fresher, and even smells better. All without heavy scrubbing or expensive products.